Welcome to Denia Castle, a historic fortress perched on a hilltop just north of Montgo mountain. From here, you get stunning views of the coastline stretching from the Gulf of Valencia to Cap San Antonio. This castle has a rich history, with its origins dating back to the 10th and 11th centuries, when it was built by the Moors. Over time, it developed into a fascinating mix of Roman and medieval influences, and later Islamic architecture. As we explore, you will see key features like the Torre del Mig, an 11th century tower with iconic horse's shoe arches, and the Portal de la Vila, the main gate, which leads to where we are standing now. So join us on this journey through centuries of history at one of Spain's castles. This is the adventure we have today in Ponderful Adventures. Let's start! Explorando ando. Montgo.
There we have it. The mountain.
The mountain. Since we are very tired, we can just do like a silent walk in the Denia.
No commentary.
No commentary.
No.
Let's do that. Let's do a silent video.
Yeah. No talking. Absolutely no talking. We have plenty of sound from the cicadas. And we're kind of thinking of doing a hike up this mountain. What was the name of it again?
Montgo.
Montgo.
I think we will do.
Looks kind of nice.
Looks very nice.
A bit later in the fall when it's less hot.
Yeah. We learned our lesson.
Or maybe even in winter.
Yeah.
Could be nice. Yeah, going climbing mountains when it's 30 degrees. Maybe not the best activity.
I would say it's amazing. You get to sweat a lot. And you get to sweat a lot.
And you also get to sweat some.
A lot.
Look, we have more castle. Secret tower.
This is a gunpowder tower.
Yeah. Oh.
Torre de la Pólvora.
You're restoring gunpowder here?
Yeah. What did I say?
Gunpowder?
I know.
No?
Yeah, gunpowder.
Pólvora, right?
Pólvora, sí.
Yeah, so they were storing it in the tower?
I think so.
Or they were making it in the tower?
Maybe. All possibilities.
Many possibilities, few answers.
And after the castle served its military purposes, then family just came here and installed themselves here, and then they put and plant things, and
Yeah,
all the medieval stuff and artifacts are buried down.
right. And they put more, well, modern farms. This was in the middle of the 1800s, so 200 years ago. So then they put farms here and some houses also, I guess. Wow. There's a tunnel underneath here.
¿Vamos arriba?
Watch your step.
I think it's not super smart to wear this in this kind of
Maybe not the best shoes.
sun.
It's kind of
But
slippery
it's
stones.
summer, I refuse.
This is the gate we just walked through.
Baluarte. This.
Let's see. I think I fit.
A ver. Mira, sí,
I think it's my type.
it is. Push.
Sebastian type.
Push, Sebastian, push. No,
Don't fit.
no, you don't fit.
To go.
Exactly. Ta-da! Mira,
Perfect.
even with some liberty.
Kaluvi size. the other thing. Testament 2, the whole anchor thing. Mas grande. With a tiny sad anchor thing here. And I guess because of course there's like a wooden pile that goes through the hole there in the wood.
Maybe. And what do we have in there?
A small boat that would definitely be sunk by any of these anchors.
Easy. Very easy.
Especially the big guy.
That one. Look how pretty it looks there. Let's go there. Well, not this. Esto.
More of the Scandinavian architecture. Scandinavian architecture. Let me present.
And now you're part of the Scandinavian Technical Services, so you know what you are talking, right?
Of course, I'm an expert in the subject.
Look all the harbors.
Wow. There's a slight problem with this helmet.
Cause of death.
Hole in helmet.
This is a very nice picture of the castle. That's where we are.
That's where we are.
Excelente. Well, let's go.
Vamos. The stairwell is quite steep and narrow.
It is. It doesn't matter if I have a long arm or not.
Maybe you can get a longer arm.
We know we have one.
And then you will see maybe more of me, maybe not. Maybe more of my knees. Oh, here we are. Down again.
Down again.
Well,
Enough to go.
I think that's it for this castle. See you soon.